Dutch bucket update August 20th. This is the 25th, and it's Tuesday, and we're doing really good. I picked this tomato a couple days ago. Say to pick it when it's like this, just starting to, this one's just, whoops, starting to blush up. Anyway, blush up, and that's because it'll start these splits here, and you can see that one has it. And I'm probably going to pick this tomato too. Same time, maybe I'll give it one more day. And let's see, we've got, so these are my second tomatoes, and we've got a lot of tomatoes happening on the vine. Oops. And let's see, these guys, and the eggplant are doing really well. Some of them have the brown skin, but oh well, I've bought ones with brown skins. And planted an okra, and that raspberry probably needs more sun. I took out its sister and planted her in the middle, so we'll see. And I took out that other tomato that was all funky, and I planted a cutting from this tomato with all the tomatoes, and that's got roots on it. And this tomato is just, I haven't seen anything. And you know what, the tomatoes are like way up, and they're on the other side, and on the other side I've got tomatoes coming too. So I don't know, this one's probably going to come out, and I'll probably get a tomato cutting off the first tomato, because this one is really big. And the pohas, I got to transplant them. And then this little pretty currant tomato is just winding its way around. And then these eggplants are the bigger variety, but they just never really took off. And then the raspberries, I took one that was over on the dark side and put it over here on the light side, but the other two are doing really well. Cucumbers are still cucumbering. We had a little scare this morning where this end Dutch bucket wasn't getting any water, so what I did was weight it down with this thing, and it's helping to just make like a bend in the pipe, because yeah, this cucumber really went down overnight, and it still has some cucumbers on it. So hopefully, I don't know if that's the last one. I think that's the last one. I might just pull it and then start zucchini. I bought some zucchini the other day when I bought the okra. I really got to start doing seeds, but got a lot going on. So anyway, that's the Dutch bucket report. Hui ho.